Did you know that Indians continued to be the leading nationality to study in the UK in 2023, receiving over a quarter of study visas, about 1.3 lakh, a 5% increase on the previous year. Undoubtedly, owing to its education system and the housing of the best faculty in their universities. However, the fee structure and other expenses such as accommodation, traveling, food, and transport make the United Kingdom one of the costliest countries to study abroad. Well, to support your education abroad, many Indian banks and financial institutions help Indian students with their finances, from offering a large amount of financial help to the lowest interest rate and flexible repayment period. Many banks and financial institutions compete with each other to provide aspirants with the smoothest experience in achieving their dreams. Let's understand in detail about education loan to study in the UK and dive into understanding best lenders, interest rates, and the complete process of studying abroad. Cost of studying in the UK. The two main types of costs that you will incur during your study abroad journey are tuition fees and living expenses. Tuition fees can vary based on the specific course and university of enrollment. For undergraduate programs, tuition fees typically range from 15 to 30 lakhs for popular courses like engineering, business management, and life sciences. Add steep living costs of accommodation, food, transport, healthcare, and the total budget will be London, 80,000 to 90,000 monthly living costs, means around 36 lakhs for 2 years. Outside London, it will be around 45,000 to 50,000 per month, so totaling would be around 27 lakhs for 2 years. So the total investment required is between 40 to 66 lakhs for premium UK degrees. Now that you understand the average cost you will incur during your stay in UK, it's time to understand the different types of loans and which one should you take. Broadly, there are two types of education loans for UK that one can take. They are secured loans. By pledging assets like property, shares, or fixed deposits as collateral, students can get sanctioned larger loan amounts ranging from 40 lakhs to 1.5 crore from government banks like SBI, Union Bank, Bank of Baroda, etc. You also avail 1 to 1.5% reduced interest rates starting 10.5%. Now let's talk about unsecured loans. Offered widely by private banks like ICICI, Axis, and specialized NBFCs like HDFC Credila and Avance, these don't require any asset collateral, thus loan size is lower at 50 to 60 lakhs. But you avoid the legal hassles of mortgaging family properties. Education loans don't stop at paying your exorbitant tuition fees. Most top lenders also cover these ancillary costs. University hostel or private accommodation, monthly living costs of groceries, phone bills, etc., flight ticket costs, university application and visa fees, health or medical insurance premiums, laptops essentials, even lost foreign exchange baggage insurance. So, with prudent expenses planning, your sanctioned loan amount can cover up to 90 to 100% of realistic UK education budget. As education loans involve sizable lending, banks analyze applicants strictly on the following criteria before approving funding. Age 18 plus years due to legal loan policies. Strong academic scores 75% and above in standard 12th results. Admission confirmation from an accredited UK university. English language capabilities proven by IELTS scores. Technical or professional degrees preferred. Collateral requirement for secured loans and co-applicant income documents mandatory. By satisfying these parameters, you demonstrate the seriousness, merit, and financial means to fulfill UK education dreams. It is important for students to ensure they possess all the necessary documentation prior to applying for an education loan for studying in the UK. The document checklist can be comprehensive, and UniCreds provides a tailored document checklist to streamline the submission process. Typical documents required to secure a study abroad loan for the UK include loan application form, passport size photograph, applicant's KYC documents, fee structure from the university, standardized test scores GMAT or GRE, academic transcripts, school and bachelor's. resident proof of the applicant and co-applicant, property papers in case of secured education loan, English proficiency test score, IELTS or TOEFL or Duolingo, proof of admission, admission letter from university or institution, income proof of the co-applicant for unsecured education loan. The process of getting an education loan is easy if done right and in the correct place. To ensure a smooth loan application process for studying in the UK, starting around 4 to 6 months before your desired enrollment date is highly recommended. Managing the process independently with multiple lenders can be quite tedious and difficult, but UniCredits provides a simplified solution for obtaining an education loan. The following steps illustrate how UniCredits can assist you in easily securing an international education loan for studying in the UK. Step number 1. Assess your eligibility for a UK education loan on UniCredits platform. Step number 2. Connect with a dedicated loan expert who will guide you through the application process and recommend suitable lenders. Step number 3. Receive a customized document checklist to simplify the document arrangement process. Step number 4. Submit the required documents 100% digitally. And step number 5. Await verification, typically taking 7 to 15 days. Once approved, sign the agreement letter and track progress to UniCredits. Step number 6. Initiate disbursement following the lender's procedures, with funds directly deposited into account or disbursed to the university by international lenders. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about securing funding for your dream UK degree. By understanding the true costs, loan options, eligibility norms and step-by-step application process, your ambitions to study abroad can now be fulfilled without financial constraints. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular updates on student financing and loans. Do comment any queries below and our fellow experts would be glad to help you. See you in the next video.